हेलो जी, तो आज हम लोग कर रहे हैं अपना चैप्टर 3 एनवायरनमेंट का। और इसका नाम है अंडरस्टैंडिंग इकोलॉजी। और टॉपिक है वेटलैंड। टॉपिक नंबर 3.1 इंट्रोडक्शन। वेटलैंड इकोसिस्टम। वेटलैंड आर द एरियाज ऑफ मार्श और पीट लैंड विद वाटर दैट इज स्टैटिक और फ्लोइंग, fresh, brackish or saline, including area of the marine water and the depth of the which low tide does not exceed 6 meters. Wetland are the transitional zones ecotone between terrestrial and aquatic ecosystem. Example: mangroves, lake littorals, marginal areas between highest and lowest water level of the lake's food plains, areas lying adjacent to the river channel beyond the natural leaves and periodically flooded during discharge in the river, and other marshy or swampy areas. These habitat experience periodic flooding from the adjacent deep habitat and therefore support plant and animal specifically adapted to such shallow flooding or waterlogging soil adaptation. Plant life, hydrophytes and hydro hydroic soils, not enough O2 are the chief characteristic of the wetland. India has over 27,000 wetland, of which 23 plus are the inland wetland and around 4,000 are coastal wetlands. Wetland occupy 18.4% of the country area, and 70% are the 70% are under paddy cultivation. Natural wetland in India range from the high altitude wetland in the Himalayas, floodplains of the major river system, saline temperature, wetland or arid and semi-arid region, coastal wetland land such as lagoon, waters, estuaries, mangrove, swamp, and coral reefs, and so on. Topic number 3.2: types of wetlands. Five types of wetland types are generally recognized as marine, coastal wetlands, including coastal lagoons, rocky shores, and the coral reefs. Estuaries, including deltas, tidal marshes, and mangrove swamps. Lacustrine wetland associated with the lakes. Riverine wetland along the riverside and stream. Polystrine meaning marshes, swamp, and bogs. Human-made wetlands such as the fish and the shrimp pond, farm ponds, irrigated agriculture land, salt pans, reservoirs, gravels, pits, farms, and canals, also termed as urban wetlands. Peatlands are a heterogeneous mixture of the plant material, vesicular plant mosses, and humus that had accumulated in the water-saturated area are only partially decomposed due to the absence of oxygen. The natural areas covered by peat are called the peatlands. Various types of peats are the swamping forest, fens, bogs, or the mires. They form where climate, bedrock, and the relief creates an area that permanent water saturation, i.e., either in shallow water over layer of lake sediment called the terrestrialization, or directly or mineral soil called the polidification. They are the mostly found in permafrost region toward the poles and the high altitude in the coastal areas beneath tropical rainforest and in arboreal forest. Countries with large peatlands areas are the Russia, Canada, Indonesia, USA, Finlandic. Recently, Brazil declared was signed to promote water management and conservation to Kuwait Central region in the Congo Basin. The declaration has been signed by the Democratic Republic of Congo, the Republic of Congo, and in Doncia in the backdrop of the third Conference of Partnership of the Global Peatland Initiative (GPI) taking place in Brazzaville, Republic of Congo. GPI is an initiative by leading expert and institution to save peatlands as world largest terrestrial organ carbon stock and to prevent it being emitted. Several multilateral conventions take peatland and considered such as UNFSCC Ramsar Convention on Wetland Convention or Biodiversity and United Nations Convention to combat desertification. Several multilateral conventions take peatland into considered such as UNFCCC Ramsar Convention on Wetland Convention on Biodiversity and United Nations Convention to combat desertification. The theme of the World Wetland Day 2018 were wetland for the sustainable urban future. Urban wetland are the found in the and around cities or their uh, suburbs. They include river and their floodplains, lakes and swamp, as well as coastal variants such as salt marshes, mangroves, and coral reefs. These wetlands control flooding, filter wastewater from water, improves improve from the water, improve air quality and the sources of the drink water, and provide livelihood. As demand for the land increases, the tendency is to enrich encroach on wetland. About half of the world population lives in urban areas today. By 2020, this proportional will reach 66%. Topic number 3.3: distinction between lake and wetlands. Characteristic: lake, wetland, shallow lakes. Origin: largest is due to the tectonic forces, fluvial geomorphic increase in the water table etc. Mostly fluvial residual lakes. Water turnover: permanent or temporary. Water level change: relatively small, relatively large. Thermal stratification: yes, no. Vertical mixing: thermally regulated, wind regulated. Dominant producer: uh, protoplankton, macrophytes. Food chain: grazing pathways, detritus pathways. Productivity: low, high. Tropic status: oligotropic, mostly eurotropic. Function flood functions: flood control, less significant. Waste treatment: no, yes. Importance of wetlands. Wetlands are indispensable for the countless benefit of the ecosystem services that they provide humanity, ranging from the fresh water supply, food and building material, and biodiversity to a flood control, groundwater recharge, and climate change mitigation. Wetlands are important resource for the sustainable tourism, play an important role in the flood mitigation by controlling the rate of the runoff. Buffer act as a riparian buffer, shoreline agents, erosion, and the pollutant. They act as a genetic reservoir for the various aspects of the plant, especially rice. Topic number Wetland biodiversity matters for climate and biodiversity. 30% of the land waste carbon is stored in peatlands. A role in the flood mitigation by controlling the rate of the runoff. Act as a riparian buffer against erosion and pollutant. Habitat to aquatic flora and fauna. Numerous species of native and mitigatory birds for cleaning water. Swamp are the reward, remove pollutant, water purification, filtration, and sediment and nutrition from the surface water. Nutrients recycle groundwater and recharge and sustainable of the local climate. For jobs, 1 billion people depend on the wetland for their livelihood. For economics, wetland produce 47 so 47 million trillion in essential services annually. Important resources for sustainable tourism, generate reservoir for various species of the plant, especially rice. Topic number 3.5: reasons for depletion. Excessive pollutant, industrial efficient domestic waste, agriculture, runoff etc. are dumped into wetland beyond the recycling capacity. habitat destruction and deforestation creation create ecological imbalance by altering the population of the wetland species. Conservation of the wetland for agriculture and encroachment, overfishing and the fish farming, aquaculture or overgrazing is a meshy soil. Removal of sand from the bed near seas makes the wetland vulnerable to wave action and tidal bore. Topic number 3.6, mitigation. Democratization of wetland using the latest technology, proper enforcement of law, and stringent punishment for the violators, prevention unsustainable aquaculture, and cultivation of selfish treating industrial efficient and the water from the farmland before the discharging into wetland. Utilizing wetland on a sustainable basis by giving enough time for natural regeneration, after artificial regeneration for a quick recovery, artificial weeds control, prevention, invention species is the key to the wetland conservation. Prevention measure to stop the introduction of a toxic invasion species like water hyacinths, soil conservation measures, and afforestation prevention, grazing in peripheral of wetlands, wildlife conservation, sustainable tourism, ecotourism, and sensitizing local population. Eutrophication, abatement by processing nutrition-rich discharge into water bodies involving the local population in the conservation of wetland. Topic number 3.7, measure to protect wetlands. Topic number 3.7.1, global conservation efforts. Ramsar Convention. The convention came into force in 1975 and is one of the oldest intergovernmental accord for prevention of the ecological charge character for the wetland. The conventions mention the conservation and the wise use of wetlands through the local and national action and international cooperation as a contribution toward achieving sustainable development throughout the world. All the center of the convention on wetland philosophy is the wise use of wetland. When they acceded to the convention, contracting parties committed to work toward the wise use of all the wetland and water resources in their territory through the national plan policy and legislation, management action, and the public education. The convention define wise use of wetland as the maintenance of their ecological character, achieving through the implementation of ecosystem approaches within the context of the sustainable development. List of the Ramsar site in India. There are 41 Ramsar site in India with a surface area of 1 crore, sorry, 1 lakh, sorry, 1 million 71,861 hectare as November 2022 to 2020. Wetland in India account for 4.7% of the total geographical area. Chilka Lake is the largest Ramsar site of the India with the surface area of 1,60,500 hectare. Chilka Lake, Odisha, and the Kyo Ladau National Park, Rajasthan were recognized as the first Ramsar site of India. Uttar Pradesh has largest number of Ramsar sites in India with eight Indian wetlands. Renuka wetland in Himachal Pradesh is the smallest wetland of the India, a surface area 20 hectare. Ramsar sites of India location. Ashan Convention Reserves, Uttarakhand, October 2020. Ashtamudi Wetland, Kerala. Vyas Conservation Reserves, Punjab. Bhitarkhand, Kanika Mangrove, Odisha. भोज वेटलैंड मध्य प्रदेश, चंद्रताल हिमाचल प्रदेश, चिल्का लेक उड़ीसा, दीपौर बेल असम, ईस्ट कलकत्ता वेटलैंड वेस्ट बंगाल। हरिका वेटलैंड पंजाब, होकारा वेटलैंड जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, कबारता कबारताल वेटलैंड बिहार, कंजली वेटलैंड पंजाब, कियोलिद्रो घाना नेशनल पार्क राजस्थान, खुशपुरु मियानी कम्युनिटी रिजर्व पंजाब, क्यूरा लेक Andhra Pradesh, Loktak Lake, Manipur, Lonar Lake, Maharashtra, और नाल सरोवर वर्ल्ड सेंचुरी गुजरात, नंदूर मध हमेश्वर महाराष्ट्र, और नगल वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी पंजाब, नवाबगंज वर्ल्ड सेंचुरी उत्तर प्रदेश, पार्वती आगरा वर्ल्ड सेंचुरी उत्तर प्रदेश, नवाबगंज बर्ड सेंचुरी उत्तर प्रदेश, पॉइंट सेरिमल वाइल्ड लाइफ एंड वर्ड सेंचुरी तमिलनाडु, पोंग पोंग डैम लेक हिमाचल प्रदेश, रेणुका लेक हिमाचल प्रदेश, रोपर वेटलैंड पंजाब, रुद्रसागर लेक त्रिपुरा, समन वर्ल्ड सेंचुरी उत्तर प्रदेश, समरसपुर वर्ल्ड सेंचुरी उत्तर प्रदेश, संभर लेक राजस्थान, संडी वर्ल्ड सेंचुरी उत्तर प्रदेश, सचाई नरवर झील उत्तर प्रदेश, सचथोका कोटा लेक केरला, सुंदरबन वेटलैंड वेस्ट बंगाल, सर मानसरोवर लेक जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, सुर सरोवर उत्तर प्रदेश, टी सोना सोमवारी जम्मू कश्मीर, अपर गंगा रिवर उत्तर प्रदेश, वेम वेंडेड कॉल वेटलैंड केरला, वूलर लेक जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, मॉन्ट्रैक्स रिकॉर्ड Montrex Record is a register of the wetland site of the list wetland of international importance where changes in ecological characteristics have occurred, are occurring, or are likely to occur as a result of technological development, pollution, or other human interference. Wetland of India that are the Montrex Record, Kyo Ladao National Park, Rajasthan, and Loktak Lake, Manipur. Chilka Lake, Odisha was placed in the record but was later removed from it. Topic number 3.7.2, Conservation Effort by the India National Plan for Conservation of Aquatic Ecosystem, NPCA. NPCA is a single conservation program for both wetland and lakes. It is certainly a sponsored scheme currently being implemented by the Union Ministry of Environment and the Forest and Climate Change. It was formulated in 2015 by merging of the National Lake Conservation Plan and the National Wetland Conservation Program. NPCA seeks to promote synergy and avoid overlap and administration function. Nodal authority as per the wetland rules. The wetland authority within the state is the nodal authority for the all wetland species authority in a state, UT for an enforcement and the rules, profited activities, setting up any industries and expansion of existing industries, dumping solid waste or discharge or untreated waste and efficient from industrial and any human settlement and encroachment or conversion for non-wetland uses. Integrated management plan. The guidelines recommended that the state UT administration prepare a plan for the management of each notification wetland by the respective government. Penalties undertaken any prohibited or regulated activities beyond the threshold defined by the state UT and administration is independent, or its zone or influence will be deemed violated under the wetland rule. Violation of the rules will attract penalties as per the Environment Protection Act 1986. Wetland Conservation and Management Rules 2017 provision. Under the rule definition of wetland, they are defined as an area of marsh, fence, peatland or water, whether natural or artificial, permanent or the temporary, with water that is static of the flowing in fresh brackish or salt, including areas of marine water and depth of the which at the low tide does not exceed 6 meter, but does not include river, channel, paddy field, human made water bodies, tank specifically constructed for drinking water purpose, and the structure specify construction for the aquatic salt production, recreation and irrigation purpose. Decentralization of power. Under the few new rules, central government has empowered the state head the union territory to identify, manage their wetlands, constitute state wetland authority in each state and the union territory that was be headed by the state environment ministry and include a range of the government officials. They will be determined the wide use principle that shall govern the management of the wetland, setting up the National Wetland Committee. It was referred centrally wetland regulation regulatory authority CWRA to monitor implementation of these rules and advise the central government or appropriate policies and action program to conservation and wise use of wetlands. The rule prohibited solid waste dumping, discharge of untreated waste and effluent from the industry, cities, towns, villages, and other human settlement into wetland. When activities, certain activities are banned and notified wetland, like setting up of the industries, dumping of solid electronic hazardous and construction waste, poaching of animal, conservation of wetland area into non-wetland purposes, encroachment, and the even construction of any permanent structure will also be banned in the notified wetland. Application of the rule. These rules shall apply to the following wetland or wetland complexes, namely wetland categorized as a wetland of international importance under the Ramsar Convention. Wetland as notified by the central government, state government, and the union territory administration. Issue with the rules, diluted definition. The 2010 rules and even to the 2016 draft rules covered all wetland, including man-made wetland other than the river channel and the paddy field. The new rules, however, excluded human-made water bodies and tanks specifically built for drinking water purposes and structures constructed for aquaculture, salt production, recreation, and irrigation. Thus, the rule fails to cover 9.7 million hectare or 65% of the total area identified as a wetland. Abuse of the rule provision, like central government may considered proposal from the state government or the union territory administration or for omitting any provision activities on the recommendation of the authority in the new rule can be misused. Process of appeal against the decision of wetland authority. According to the 2010 rule, anyone aggregate with the CWRA's decision could have filed to appeal with the National Green Tribunal, but the new 2017 rule are the silent to on appeal process. Subjective definition of the wise use. Wise use is defined as a principle of sustainable use and is compatible with the conservation, which is to be determined by the state wetland authority. Poor record of state, the years of identification and notification of wetland has been passed on to state which have been virtually never attacked on wetland protection in the past have been lax in implementation the old rules. And our chapter is now finished. Chapter third is completed now.